Hey everybody, it is December the 2nd. This is Debbie O'Neill of Scrub Me Quick Designs, and I have day 2 of the Diamond Press Advent Calendar 2025. Now this is still available over on HSN as of today, December the 22nd, and I'll link that up in the description of the video. It's on sale, and right now there was free shipping, so that was awesome. So let's look at day 2. If you didn't see day 1, you may want to go check that out. But day 2, let me just fold this over and make it a little easier. Day 2's over here. We're going to open this up and see what is inside. I like to use my craft knife because I don't want to tear these per se, because I like to keep the boxes and maybe do something else with them. So it's fun to just, let me just get this started here. Okay, let's get this open. Day 2 is, it's a big spot. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, guys, it's rhinestones, gemstones. Oh, how cute is this? Let me get them out. Oh, there's several packages. Okay, so they're hearts and stars. Oh, how cute. So there's pink, purple, that blue kind of teal color, and some, just regular clear ones. How fun. These are going to be great to add as accents on different kinds of projects. So I will be making a project where I'm going to show you what did I do with these. So stay tuned for that. I'll be back in a minute to show you. Okay, so day 2 prize was all of this bling. Beautiful purple, pink, like the clear rhinestone color, and this beautiful teal color. So what do you do with this? What I like to do is add it to my cards. Now these are self-adhesive. They already have the sticky on them. All you got to do is take them off and add embellishments to your cards. And guess what? We made a card yesterday that I feel like these would be perfect to add a little jazz this card up. So while this was a cute card, it needs a little more something, doesn't it? And so I'm going to take some of these and add it to my card and show you how easy it is to kind of add a little bit to this. So I have the purple and the pink, and some of the clear would be perfect for adding some embellishments to my card. Now it's stars and hearts, so I'm just going to put a few on my card, and you can see already it starts adding just a little bit of additional sparkle. All right, and then I'm going to add some of the pink stars. Put one over here. Okay. So you want to just kind of scatter them around, and they look really great on your card. So I'm also going to add, since it's for my friend, and I'm going to add a little more bling to this, but it looks really cute, doesn't it? When you just add a little bit of the sparkle. And then I'm going to add a couple of these to the frame that's on the card. And you can see how just adding the bling to any of your cards or tags or anything like that that you make just really adds that extra special touch. So ta-da! Look, now it looks worthy of a birthday card. Look at all that sparkle and shine. And it was super easy. So be sure and use it up. Use these. Think about it. Add that little bit of sparkle and shine. I love the fact that we got so many of these. And let me know what you like to add your rhinestones or embellishments to. Be sure and come back for day 3. I appreciate you guys being here. Leave me a comment. Make sure you subscribe.